I'm filling in for Technoid in today's episode here on the channel. He's taking a vacation. He ain't really cut out for this, but I am.
Oh, surprise, surprise, motherfucker! The king is back!
Well, you guys knew I couldn't stay away, even on vacation. Came down here to beautiful Florida, couldn't catch a break. What's going on, everybody? Michael here. Welcome back to a very special episode of Technoid on Vacation Edition. Today we're going to take a look at my first impressions and honest opinion about the brand new Soundcore Liberty Air 2 Pros. Soundcore was nice enough to send these out a little bit early because their inventory got pushed back, so they're very nice to also give me a discount. So shout out to Soundcore for that. If you want to pick this product up, you can pick it up in the link in the description. I will leave everything you need to find. If you want to get more information about the headphones, I will leave everything in the description. Also, quick disclaimer, this is not a review. This is just a first impressions and unboxing, so you see what you get inside the box and what I think of them. My review will come later on. I will be using these for the remainder of my vacation so I can fully break them in, and then I will give you a better detailed review when I get back home. All that out of the way, let's start with the unboxing. So the first thing you're going to notice when you unbox these things is that the packaging is very similar to the Liberty 2 Pros. Because these are dubbed Pro headphones, you are going to expect Pro headphones. Now, when you unbox these things, they have a very nice layout. So in the front of the packaging, you get the headphones. On the side, you also get a few of the marketing gimmicks, 5 stars rated by Grammy Award winners. You do get a lot of mumbo jumbo. On the back has all the details. I'm gonna let you read them if you wanna read it. When you open them up, they detail the ANC. It has 3 different modes, which we will discuss in a second. Then taking a look at the packaging, you have the headphones and the charging case, similar to the Soundcore style. Underneath that, however, is where we get more detail. We get your little booklets, get everything expected. You get a little Anker cable, and you get 9 different ear tips, which I think is incredible. So I really gotta say, Soundcore, you deliver on quality, because for $100, not many companies even give you just 3. So they're giving you 9, so that's actually very good value. Now, take a look at the headphones themselves. When you take a look at them, they do kind of remind me of the AirPod Pros. Now, I know all of you are going to say, oh, you're being crazy, but come on, look at that. Like, I'm not even trying to bash. I'm just being honest. They look very similar to the AirPod Pros. Tell me if you look at this, you tell me you don't think you see AirPod Pros. Come on. But in all seriousness, though, the headphones themselves are actually really nice. When you put them in your ear, which I'm going to do right now, they lock in similar to the last generation where you put them in and you twist. They have very good noise isolation, so I actually feel more muffled when I put them in. And they feel very good in my ears. Now, they do, again, like I said, they come with different tips, so you can customize, you can get a better fit, and the better the fit is, the better the sound, and the active noise canceling is going to work. Now, for me, I picked the navy blue to match my iPhone 12 Pro Max. So the blue, I gotta say, is sick. And also, I just want to give a real quick shout out to the charging case. There is no legal guff. Now, I do have a little bit of powder on here. I don't know how that got on here. But if we take a look at this, it's the nice blue, and it's very clean on the inside. And there is no legal guff. It's all on the back of the case. So I really like that they took attention to detail on that. Now, when it comes to the active noise canceling, that's where you're going to get a lot of features. They have 3 different modes. You've got indoor, outdoor, commute, and customize. Each of these presets help to target different noise canceling modes where you can adjust to your environment. So it's a hybrid active noise canceling, which uses the microphones around and inner mic to pick up on voice and volume, but also clear out everything. And I think that that's a big game changer. And I'm going to test this out on my flight coming home, and I'm also going to try it out in the area. So I'll give you everything else in the review. But I will say, from my initial testings, as you're seeing, they felt considerably good. Now, there is minimal cabin pressure, but that's only because you're in a closed environment. So we're going to see how it is in a noisier environment. I will do some more testings, and I will let you know as we get closer to the review. Now, when it comes to battery life, 7 hours on the earbuds, 26 hours total in the charging case, which I think is very respectable. They're definitely above the minimum because most headphones nowadays have an average life of 7 to 8 hours. So that's the minimum. And overall, I think I gotta give a lot of credit also to the transparency. Now, while it's not the best transparency mode like the AirPod Pros, they do a good job of letting in ambience. I do think it can be tweaked because as of this recording, there is no firmware update. So I will assume as the weeks go, as more people start to buy this and more people get their hands and they get more feedback, they will be able to give a more precise tuning and update to the quality. But the main thing I want to talk about real quick before we end the video is the sound quality. Now, as you know, the sound quality is key with Soundcore. Soundcore signature is bass heavy, but with clarity and everything. And I gotta say, after my first testing and checking this out a little bit more, I was thoroughly shocked. And here's my reaction. And this was the night I got them unboxing. This is my reaction. 60% volume, it's pretty loud. Let's hear the sound. Whoa. What? What? No. No. It's really clear. The bass is... And if that didn't tell you anything, these things sound incredible for the price. $130, they don't sound like $130 pair of headphones, guys. They sound like $200 plus. There are so many things I could talk about, but I don't want to drain it out. I want to save it for my review, but I will say this. Compared to the AirPod Pros, I was thoroughly blown away of how similar they were. They had better bass, had better clarity, but the AirPod Pros were more balanced. But again, all for the review later, but I will say I was thoroughly shocked. That reaction you saw was genuine. You can't make that up. Even my mom could say that. You cannot make that up. Now, quickly before I end this video, I just want to give a quick thing. I just want to say that I will be testing out microphone quality. I will be testing out everything. So if you have any questions, any concerns, let me know your thoughts down below. But that is the Soundcore Liberty Air 2 Pros. That is my first impressions. I think they are off to a solid start. I will test them out. I will check out the gestures, app control, everything. Again, all for the review. I want to thank you guys for watching. If you appreciate the video, hit the like button. If you dislike the video, you can hit that dislike button. It helps circulate my videos. Again, everybody, thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys when I get back. Take care, everyone, and peace!